Hey there, my friend, welcome. My name is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi. I'm the founder here at the Fit Father Project. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a Bulgarian split squat, which is one of my favorite leg exercises, and it's actually research proven to be one of the best leg exercises you can possibly do, except you need to know the key form points because it's very easy to screw this one up. So in this video, I'm going to show you actually in our home gym here how you can do the Bulgarian split squat with a pair of dumbbells and a nice easy bench here. I'm going to give you some key form points and some ideas on the proper sets and reps on how you can incorporate this into your leg training for stronger legs, more explosive legs. You're going to learn a ton in this video. So get out a pen and paper, take some notes, and let's dive on in.
FitFatherProject.com.
All right, so let's look at Bulgarian split squats. The first thing we're gonna need is some basic equipment. You do not necessarily need weights. What you will need though is something over here to elevate your back foot, because what the Bulgarian split squat essentially is a rear foot elevated squat. So we're gonna do a setup, but another thing I like to point out to people when doing these squats is it's really a good idea to have the proper footwear. So ideally you wanna have a shoe that has a very flat bottom on it. So this shoe right here has a very flat bottom on it, which makes it ideal for squatting. You know, some of these running shoes that are very curved and squishy are not great shoes, because anytime we're squatting, like the split squat, we're gonna put a foot down right here on the ground, and this is our point of contact. So the more stable we can make this, the more stable the squat's gonna be. So we have a good shoe here. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna elevate my back foot right here onto the bench. So I'm in a starting position. Now, the key is making sure that you're in the proper, you have the proper distance between your feet. So I'm gonna take a little hop out, because what we wanna do is feel like that when we're squatting, that our toe is not extending too far over the front of the knee, our knee's not extending over our toe. We wanna feel like we're sitting back, so that knee forms like a straight line with that toe. So I'm coming right back up. So notice I'm not tracking over here, I'm tracking. Chest is right up, I'm coming right back down here, firing my glute and my quad, and coming right back up to start. So here, down, pause, fire right back up. Slow and controlled on the way down, pause, fire right back up. If you find that your squat is looking something like this, then you may have to take a step out and just like this. So that this crease right here, you're sitting nice down and back right here, right on up. As you get stronger, what you're gonna wanna do, add some dumbbells to the mix. So again, you get that good starting position, back foot comes up, holding these dumbbells at my sides, chest is nice and high right here. I'm coming right on down, pause, fire right on up. Down, slow and controlled, pause, right on up. Now, come take a look at my back leg. I'll actually show you up here. We're gonna switch sides for a second. This back leg is sitting where the top of my foot is right on that bench here. What it's not doing is I'm not pushing this quad. This back leg stays pretty passive. So I'm coming down to a squat here, but I'm not keeping too much tension in this back leg. I'm not trying to push myself off with this back leg or any stuff like this. I'm keeping this back leg nice and relaxed, coming down, focusing on this right leg now, up to here, right on down, up to here. This is merely to keep us stabilized here on the bench. And so again, there is a proper height. Sometimes these things can be too high or too low. Somewhere roughly around knee height is what's gonna be best for most people. So that is how you do the Bulgarian split squat. Upright posture, nice strong glute on the side you're working. May have to take a step out to make sure that knee doesn't track over the toe. Coming down, pause, right on up. So that's how you do the Bulgarian split squat. So the Bulgarian split squat is one of the best leg exercises you can possibly do, because we're isolating one leg at a time and we're working our quads, our glutes, our hamstrings, our calves, our core. It's amazing. And it's the kind of exercise that is a little more finesse. It's not a heavyweight exercise. I mean, at best, you might be holding some 50-pound dumbbells when you get very, very strong at this. So it's something that I like to recommend you do later on in your leg workout. So start with your primary leg motions, your squats, your front squats, your goblet squats, your deadlifts. And then later on in the workout, you might finish with 3 sets of Bulgarian split squats, both sides. So I would do 3 sets on this left leg, 3 sets on this right leg. You do not necessarily have to rest in between legs. And if you do not rest between legs, you go immediately 3 sets, and 1 set here, 1 set here. You're gonna find it's a pretty good cardio workout, because it takes a lot to keep you nice and stabilized. I like to do this exercise in a higher rep range. Anywhere from 12 to 20 reps is amazing, where you can really focus on that slow descent, firing through your glute and your heel, and getting a good burn in your muscles. You do not have to go super heavy here. Keep this in a higher rep range. You're gonna feel a great pump in your legs. And hey, if you're starting out, you might not even hold anything in your hands. Just doing 20 single leg squats with your body weight might be more than enough. You might be even something you have to work up to, but that's great. So if you have a formal leg day in your training program, this would be a good thing to throw after your prime movers, like the squats, the deadlifts, etc. If you're just, hey, I'd like to incorporate these into my routine just to get a stronger, bigger butt, nicer legs, you can do these daily for 3 sets or so, and that will help build strength in your legs over time. And again, you do not have to have a weight bench. You can do this with a kitchen chair. Just make sure it's a stable surface, and again, make sure that you have that really nice shoe that's not gonna, wobble on you on the ground. So that's how you do the split squat. I hope you found this valuable. If you'd like this, hit thumbs up, let us know. Here at the Fit Father Project YouTube channel, we have hundreds of videos on all the best exercise tutorials like this one, covering legs, abs, shoulders, back, arms, chest, everything. But we also talk about the important topics like nutrition, how to get and stay motivated, the best supplements to be taking, everything you need to know to stay strong and healthy for your family. We're the Fit Father Project, this is what we do. So if you love this stuff and you want to learn more, hit subscribe, check out our channel. We have hundreds of videos you can dive into right away, and we have some amazing great free resources like our free 24-minute fat burning workout that we can send straight to your email. There's going to be a link below this video. You can click that, and I'm going to show you how you can actually use these exact dumbbells here on the floor with about 8 feet of floor space to get an incredible fat burning workout in just 24 minutes. And it does not use Bulgarian split squats, but it does use another leg exercise you definitely need to know about. So check that out. That video is free. We'll send it straight to your email. And thanks for being here, my friend. I'll see you around our channel, and I'll talk to you very soon.